equal to 38. A plus 10D equal to 38. A 11 ಅದರಿ A plus 10D ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು. Next ರೀ
A16 is equals to 17.
A16 equal to
73.
70. A16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ A plus 15D equal to
23.
equation number
2.
so then compare equation number 1 and 2. So what is the equation number 1?
A plus 10 is equal to 38. Study compare.
Comparing equation number 19. So now equation number 1 A plus 10 equal to 30. Equation number 2
A plus 15D
equal to
33.
so now plus adare
Minus.
plus ada minus plus ada sign change minus 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 plus minus
Cancel.
15 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 10 minus ಮಾಡಿ
Minus 5D.
minus 5 equal to 73 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 38 minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 73 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 38 minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ 3 4 5 6 7 8 5
ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ
7 6 3 correct 35 how much
Hari.
35
Hari.
okay now minus minus get cancel so now d as it is equal to
35 by 5.
here multiply equal to 5 and 5 7 so therefore d equal to how much
7.
7 so now d value put listen here first
Hari.
put d value in equation number 1 or 2
1
put d value in equation number 1 what is the equation number 1 tell me
A plus 10 is equals to
a plus 10d equal to
38.
38 so d equal to how much so you put here
10
so a as it is 10
into 7.
d equal to how much
7.
7 equal to
38.
38 a as it is plus as it is 70 equal to
38.
38 a as it is 38 plus you take that side minus 70 so a 70 minus 38 equal to how much?
Minus 32.
Minus
32.
32 minus